Pasangan Simran dan Ishan adalah pemandu wisata di Los Angeles, negara bagian California. Mei tahun lalu, keduanya merekam permukiman mewah dan kawasan belanja high-end di Pacific Palisades dengan kamera 360 derajat. Rekaman itu kini disandingkan dengan kondisi Pacific Palisades sekarang setelah diterjang kebakaran besar awal Januari.
We woke up this morning in Los Angeles to see that potentially 10,000 homes or more have burned in the Pacific Palisades area. It looks like a warscape here.
Total kerugian masih belum bisa dipastikan.
Usually this time of year they're seeing a fair amount of rain in California. It's their rainiest time of the year. The fact that we haven't seen rain means that when these winds occur, they do create a pretty conducive environment for wildfire.
Bank investasi RBC Capital Markets memperkirakan total kerugian terasuransi bisa mencapai hingga 20 miliar dolar atau 326 triliun rupiah. Perkiraan serupa diungkapkan Bank Wells Fargo. Meski jumlah kerugian total bisa 3 kali lipat. Sementara konsultan pemantau cuaca AccuWeather memiliki proyeksi jauh lebih besar.
$135 to $150 billion in total damage and economic loss, a truly staggering number. Of course, we're looking at things like the amount of insured damage that's occurred and uninsured damage, but far beyond that, we're considering things like disruptions to commerce, the cost of job losses, businesses that may never reopen in the affected areas.
Kebakaran hutan dahsyat di California terjadi tak lama setelah badai salju kuat melanda sebagian Amerika Serikat dari bagian barat tengah hingga ke pantai timur termasuk ibu kota AS Washington DC disusul dengan badai salju yang melanda sebagian wilayah selatan Amerika termasuk Texas dan Georgia.
Having such a destructive hurricane season, a very destructive tornado season with lots of tornadoes across the United States, and now just a few days into 2025, a significant historic disaster in terms of wildfire across Southern California.
AccuWeather memperkirakan kebakaran hutan bisa mengikis produk domestik bruto California sebesar 4%. Bencana beruntun juga menekan PDB Amerika Serikat.
Total damage and economic loss from the major disasters in the last 12 months, when you sum up all the estimates that we have presented, that comes to a total of $606 to $674 billion. So almost $750 billion. Said another way, about 2.5% of the United States average annual gross domestic product.
Dari Washington DC, Nova Purwadi dan tim VOA.